So, I'm here in Capitol, waiting for my sibling. I don't know when will she come, or will she come? Okay, because I think she's busy. So I'm gonna wait for her reply. As you can see, it's very cleaned. So this is the comfort room of the Capitol at the City Hall. It's very cleaned. I really love clean comfort room.
Yung pamilya niyo, parang yung mga naggabal na lagyan daw, napatakad daw ng kadil, tapos nagkagdagulog.
So this is my dinner for tonight, nilaga. Boiled pork and rice. A little bit of rice. I'm glad that they left me rice. I think it's 6:30 p.m. Tuesday. I just got home because, you know, I went to a meeting, an emergency meeting, and I think I love the outcomes of the meeting that happened today because the air has been cleared. All the issues, I think, will be settled because we have a new vice president, and yeah, let's eat dinner for tonight. Thank you, Lord. To eat this after dinner: vegetable pops, crispy green pea snack, cheese flavor. It's my first time trying this one. It's from SNR. So let's eat this. Let's open. So this is what it looks like. Let's see what it's made from. It's made from the Philippines. It's going to expire on June 2026. That's it. Pang-export.